guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Amanda for the new people tuning in. Today I'll be doing a makeup tutorial on this look. If you guys like it, please keep watching. Alright, so I already did one eye off camera. Now I'm just going to jump on to the other one. The palette I used for this look is the Blood Sugar from Jeffree Star. And now I'm just gonna go ahead and move on to the other eye. And I know that my lash is like, it has a little bit of the white because the glue is still drying. And yeah, so I'm just gonna go ahead and move on to the other eye. So the first shade I'm gonna take is this one, which is Cherry Soda. I also already did my eyebrows. For brows, I did change it up this time. I used the Foolproof Brow Powder from Benefit. Mine is in the shade 3. I used both of the colors. And then to set, I used the same thing, the Benefit Brow Setter. And then also to prime my lids, I used the LA Girl Pro Conceal. This one is in shade Bisque. So I'm gonna go ahead and bring you guys in a little bit closer.
Just to dig me out with silver spoons. No, I didn't see it coming. Oh, old walls that I'm stuck inside. I guess beauty sees.
So now I'm just gonna take like a clean blending brush and blend this out so that it doesn't look so harsh.
But I can't find, I didn't.
Now I'm gonna go ahead and take Fresh Meat and darken up that crease a little.
Didn't see it coming. Well, I got your phone and I got your message. I want you to know that you are the love of my life. The love of
And now I'm just like blending because I don't want to have like such a harsh line. Alright, so now I'm just gonna go ahead and cut the crease, and that I'm gonna do it off camera. So to cut my crease, I am going to use the IT Bye Bye Under Eye in the shade Light, and I will see you guys in a bit. Alright, so I already cut my crease. The next shade I'm gonna go into is Donor, which is this one right here. And I'm gonna take a little bit of the Eviance facial spray and spray my brush and add that to the inner corner. I'm gonna go ahead and take like a compact mirror because I need something a little closer.
you never leave when the song is over. You ride or die till the end. You're the love of my life.
And I'm gonna leave it up to there. Now I'm gonna take Prick. This, it's like a orangey reddish red, and I'm gonna take that to the other part that I cut out.
You're the love of my life.
Now I'm just blending like both shades together. I'm just going back and forth with both colors. And now I am going to go back into Fresh Meat and add that to the outer corner and blend those two shadows together.
Old walls that I built for you just to dig me out with silver spoons.
Now I'm just gonna do my eyeliner. For eyeliner, I'm gonna go in with the Essence Super Precise eyeliner. Now I'm gonna go ahead and use these lashes. They're called Nova and they're from Cala. It's these lashes right here. I think they're really pretty. This is the packaging. And I got these in TJ Maxx. They were $3.99 each. I got a couple of different pairs, like a different style. I wanted to see like how they were, and I actually really like them. So I'm just gonna use the duo adhesive. I'm also gonna use some of the Essence Lash Princess before I apply my falsies, and I am just gonna go ahead and move on to the face. I also am going to color correct a bit with color correcting, like all around here. It's like so dark. So I'm gonna use this. It's from MAC. This one is like a pure orange Studios Finish skin corrector, and I'm gonna just take like a, it's like a blending brush, just add a bit.
No, I didn't see it coming. Oh, old walls that I'm stuck inside. I guess beauty.
So I'm gonna take a little bit. It looks so funny right now. I'm looking at myself in the viewfinder. But I'm gonna take some of this Tarte Clean Slate Timeless Smoothing Primer. I need a lot of smoothing right now, and I'm just gonna add some to my cheeks. All right, so for foundation, I am gonna go in with the Matte and Poreless Fit Me foundation in Golden Door.
Here's what I can't find. I did. No, I didn't.
Alrighty, so now I'm just gonna go in with the Becca Aqualuminous Concealer, and this one is in shade Beige. I'm also gonna add some of the Bisque LA Girl Pro Conceal, just a little bit to lighten it up.
Well, I got your love and I got your message. I want you to know that you are the love of my life. The love of my life. You never leave when the
So to set the under eye, I'm gonna go in with the Shade and Light, and I'm gonna use this shade and this shade.
song is over. You ride or die till the end. You're the love of my life.
I really like how this powder brightens this area up. So now to set the rest of my face, I'm gonna go in with the Patrick Star. This is the Patrick Star MAC powder. I'm gonna just use the same puff. So now to bronze, I'm gonna go in with my Terracotta bronzer.
You're the love of my life.
You know what I noticed? That the Patrick Star powder kind of, well, I guess it could also be the primer, but I feel like my texture shows less. For blush, I'm gonna go into this one. It's this Kevyn Aucoin. It says it's a bronzer, but for me it wouldn't be a bronzer. It would be more like a blush. It's like a warm coral blush. See? No way it would be a bronzer. I also want to go ahead and bronze up, contour my nose a little bit. I'm gonna use the same Terracotta bronzer and bronze up this nose. Not bronze, I'm gonna go ahead and go back in with the Shade and Light palette, and I'm gonna take the Morphe sponge and dip it into these two light shades. So for the under eye, I'm gonna go ahead and go in with a little bit of Cherry Soda for the bottom lash line. And I am also gonna go in with Fresh Meat, which is this one right here, and darken up that lash line. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and set my face with some of the Eviance facial spray. Alright, so I'm gonna go ahead and put on some highlight. For highlight, I'm gonna go ahead and go in with this Bobbi Brown highlight. This is in the shade Bronze Glow, this one. And I'm gonna use a fan brush.
Old walls that I built for you just to dig me out with silver spoons. No, I didn't see it coming.
And now that my lashes should be dry by now, I'm gonna go ahead and add a little bit more of the black liner to get rid of the shiny cast. Alrighty, so now we're almost done. I'm gonna go ahead and move on to the lips. So for lips, I'm gonna go in with the Cork lip liner from MAC. For lipstick, I'm gonna go in with this Bare Pink from Bobbi Brown. It's a really pretty color and I barely use it. Okay, so I'm gonna add some of that same highlighter to the inner corner, and I'm also gonna take some on my brow bone. Alright guys, so this is the finished look. I really hope you guys liked it. Please don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to hit that notification bell so you guys can get notified as soon as I upload, and I will see you guys on the next one. Bye!